Welcome to Study Loop.
We're told that a lethal dose of X-rays is about 5 joules per kilogram, and we want to express this lethal radiation dose in grays, rad, and sieverts. And also, so the first thing we want to notice is that 1 gray is equivalent to 1 joule per kilogram, which is also equivalent to 100 rads. So keeping this in mind, 5 grays is equivalent to 500 rads. We also need to note that for an RBE of 1, which is true for X-rays, the equivalent dose is equal to the absorbed dose. Therefore, this is also equivalent in our case to 500 rad. In the second part, we're asked how much total energy a 70 kilogram person would absorb from such a dose. 70 kilogram person. Here, the energy is simply 5 joules per kilogram, the dose in grays, times mass of the person, 70 kilograms. This is equal to 350 joules. Now in part C, we're asked, how would our answers to part A and B change if the 5 joules per kilogram came from a beam of protons instead of X-rays? So for protons, the RBE value is equal to 10 rather than 1. So this will change not our absorbed dose, but just our equivalent dose, and it will increase it by a factor of 10 compared to our previous answer, which had a factor of 1 in it. So the equivalent dose would now be 500, or rather 5,000 REM, but our other answers would remain unchanged because the absorbed dose is the same. So absorbed is still 500 rads. So those are our final answers.